Hi everyone, I am going to discuss about the string. String is the data type in Python. So if I'll write s equal to Python. Now I want to check the data type. For checking the data type, I'll write type of s. So what will be the output? It should be a string. Now instead of single inverted comma, if I'll write the double inverted comma. So what will be the data type now? It will be also a string. So we can use the single inverted comma as well as the double inverted comma for a string. If I'll use the triple inverted comma, so what will be the data type now? See, it will be also a string. So we can use the single, the double, as well as the triple inverted comma. Now, here I'm writing s equal to Python. So in string or any kind of data type, the indexing concept is very important. What is the indexing? The computer will start counting from 0. So here, the p equal to 0. After that, y. Y means what? 1. T means what? 2. Then H means what? 3. Then O means what? 4. Then N means what? 5. So it is the positive indexing. What kind of indexing? It is the positive indexing. Okay. Now, what about the negative indexing? Using the negative indexing, it will be -1. After that, -2. After that, -3. After that, -4. After that, -5. After that, -6. According to the positive indexing, it will start from 0. And according to the negative indexing, it will start from -1. That's all. So now, here, what will be my s? S is the Python. Now, I'm trying to extract the O using the positive indexing. What I'm trying to extract? O using the positive indexing. So what I'll write? Simply I'll write what? This is the 0, this is the 1, this is the 2, this is the 3, this is the 4. So I'll write the 4. I'll write what? 4. Now, I'm trying to extract the O using the negative indexing, using the negative indexing. So what I'll write? S of -2. So what will be my output? O. It will be O. So this is all about the indexing. Now, again, I want to print not only the each and every individual. Now I want to print pi. Okay. So what is the concept? That is the slicing. That is the slicing. Not only each and every individual. I want to print some part of the particular index. So if I want to print only the pi, only the pi. So what I'll write? So it will start from what? 0 and 0, 1. If I'll write only 0 is to 1, so what will be my answer? Only p. Why? Now the last index value should be excluded. So we have to include that. So I have to write 0 is to 2. The last index value should be excluded. That's why I have to add 1. So it will be not 0:1. It should be 0:2. Now, I want to write TH. I want to print what? TH. So what I will write? TH means this is the 0, 1, 2. After that, 4. So now I got the TH. So this is all about the positive slicing. What about the negative slicing? Now I want to print only the PY using the negative slicing. So what I'll write? It will start from -6. After that, -4, right? Because this is the -1, -2, -3, -4, -5, -6. So if I'll write these things, so it will print the pi. Now, I am trying to extract the whole string. So what I'll write? Simply I'll write is 2. Or we can write as well the is 2 is 2. Now I want the reverse way. I want what? The reverse way. So what I'll write is 2 -1. So it will print what? The reverse way. Means it will start from N and into P. Now, the string is the immutable. Immutable. What is the concept of immutable? See, here my string is the Python. Now, I am going to edit instead of P, I am going to edit Z. So that means I have to write S of 0, S of 0. Instead of P, I am going to edit what? Z. So I'll write this. Now, if I am going to run, what will be my output? Let's see, guys. I got an error. What type of error? The string object does not support the item assignment. Why? The string is immutable. That means we can't edit the value index wise. This is the meaning of the immutable. Mutable means what? We can change or we can edit the value index wise. So that's all about the string. Hope you understood. Thank you.